Hello lovers, this is Chris Reed from Kismet Potions. That's KISMETPOTIONS.com. And today we are here for our essential oil monograph series. We're profiling all sorts of different essential oils. And in the first batch of videos, we didn't put recipes. I thought, let's put some recipes in there. So this one is black pepper. This is for sexuality and heat and passion, and these are all 30 ml or 1 ounce, and there's going to be about 30 drops in here of each one, not of each oil, but 30 drops total in each blend. So I like starting with the base notes or middle notes. The first one is cardamom. Okay, so we're going to do 5 drops of the cardamom. All these oils I have available on the site as well. Then we're going to do 9 drops of sandalwood. We're going to do 4 drops of the jasmine sambac, and 9 drops of blood orange, and 3 drops of the black pepper. Again, this is for sexuality, heat, and passion. So enjoy, lovers. This is Chris Reed. Have a prosperous and aromatic day.